Hello all, welcome to UNEXT Officer channel. I am Dr. Adira and I will be teaching you important topics of biology which are repeatedly asked in central exams. If you haven't subscribed this channel, then please do subscribe this channel. In today's video, we will be discussing some important MCQs. Coming to the first question. Which one of the following human organs is responsible for detoxification of alcohol? Option A, liver, option B, lung, option C, heart, and option D, kidney. So let's look into each of the options one by one. First one is liver. So what are the functions of liver? The main function of the livers include synthesis of albumin, bile acids and cholesterol. Then it has a role in detoxification of drugs and it has a function of storage of glycogen, fat and vitamins. So the main important functions are synthesis, detoxification and storage. Now the next option is lung. So as all you know, the function of the lung is exchange of gases between alveolar air and blood. The next option is heart, and the function of the heart is to pump blood. And the last option is kidney. So what are the functions of kidney? Functions include regulation of acid and base balance and electrolyte balance. Then it has a role in removal of toxins from the body, that is excretion. It has a role in regulating of blood pressure and it produces two important hormones, that is erythropoietin and vitamin D. So our question was, which of the following is responsible for detoxification of alcohol? And the right answer is liver. Liver is the organ which is involved in detoxification of drugs. Now coming to the next question. The process by which blood is purified in human body is called option A, dialysis, option B, hemolysis, option C, osmosis, and option D, paralysis. So let's look into the definition of each of these. First one is dialysis. Dialysis or hemodialysis is the process by which blood is purified in human body. Second one is hemolysis. Hemolysis means breakdown of RBCs. Third one is osmosis. Osmosis is the diffusion of water or other solvents through a semi-permeable membrane. And last one is paralysis. Paralysis means complete or partial loss of muscle function. So the right answer is option A, dialysis. Now coming to the next question. Kidneys in human beings are a part of the system for option A, nutrition, option B, transportation, option C, excretion, and option D, respiration. So this is a simple straightforward question. The question is, kidney is part of which system and is a part of excretory system. So the answer is option C, excretion. Now coming to the next question. Which of the following is not the normal function of human kidney? Option A, regulation of water level in the blood. Option B, regulation of sugar level in the blood. Option C, filter out urea, and option D, secretion of several hormones. So as we have discussed the functions of kidney, functions include regulation of water level in the blood. It's true. Kidney do regulate water level and electrolytes level. The second option is regulation of sugar level in the blood. That is wrong because the electrolytes include sodium, potassium and chloride level. The sugar level in the body is regulated by insulin and not kidney. Then the third option was filter out urea. That is true because kidney has a function of excretion and it also involves excretion of urea. Then secretion of several hormones. That is true. The kidneys produces important two hormones, that is vitamin D and erythropoietin. So the answer to this question is regulation of sugar level in the blood, option B. Now coming to the last question. What among the following is responsible for formation of stone in human kidney? So this is a question based on renal stone or kidney stone. So there are several types of kidney stones and the most common is calcium oxalate. And then there are triple phosphate. This triple phosphate consists of calcium, magnesium and ammonium phosphate. And triple phosphates are usually seen along with the presence of infection. Then there are cystine stones The cystine stones are very hard stones. Then there are uric acid stones. These uric acid stones are radiolucent stones. That is, they cannot be detected by X-rays. Then there are ammonium urate stones. So the most common was calcium oxalate. So the answer for this question is option B, calcium oxalate. So that's all about today's video. Hope all of you have understood. If you have any queries, then please do type it in the comment section below. And let's meet in the next video with another topic. Thank you guys.